Welcome to StickShiftStudios. This is the 2021 Monterey Car Week Tour de Elegance. If you've never been to Monterey Car Week and you're planning your trip, you definitely want to go to the Tour de Elegance. You can view the cars anywhere along Highway 1. Just pull off to the side of the road, find a good spot, and watch them. It's that simple. And obviously this is a free event, which is great. This video features cars from the tour from Lamborghini and Ferrari, cars from Pebble Beach, cars that will be on the lawn, and they get more points awarded to them if they attend this drive. It's a treat to see these rare vehicles actually driving on the road.
Crazy. What was that, I wonder?
Thank you for watching my coverage of the 2021 Monterey Car Week Tour de Elegance featuring Italian cars, Ferrari, and Lamborghini. If you like this video, you may also like to watch some of my other Monterey Car Week videos from 2014, 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2021. Subscribe to StickShiftStudios today so you don't miss any new automotive event videos. Have a great day.